my post 6 months ear. See, like, if the wax buildup, and you can see that I don't have any like wax or anything in my ear right now. I mean, we're gonna see. So stay tuned, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
All the sexy ladies in the club. She wanna. She wanna. He about to. He about to. She wanna. He about to. She wanna. He about to.
All right, y'all. Y'all remember like how I said I was gonna clean my ears out, how I was gonna do a 6 months post. Wow, it's really been 6 months. I think it's been 6 months since I posted that video. 6 months post since I cleaned my ears. I just want y'all to see how my ears are still looking since then. Now, I clean my ears out on a day-to-day. So it's like, I use Q-tips. I wash my ears out. Like, I might put alcohol in it, kind of dry it out or whatever. But we're going to go back in with this Bebird. And I have the Bebird, either the 2-3 or C3 is one of the threes. And we're just going to set it up with my little scope. And yeah, they say that, well, I was reading that the clear tip, the clear plastic tip is better for scraping it out, I guess, whatever you want to say. I mean, they're both good. And you're going to screw that little piece on. Okay, cool beans, cool beans. And you want to turn your device on. You just want to hold it for like 3 seconds. And then I'm gonna show you my ears, like, and if I'm not mistaken, what I learned in nursing school was you're supposed to pull bell down there, y'all. You're supposed to pull the ear back for an adult and the ear down for a child. So, we're just gonna go in and we're just gonna see what it's looking like. Oh my goodness. So you see this big old piece of wax in here as soon as we get on here. Great. Now I'm just like a nasty bitch. Anyway, I'm gonna do a voiceover while I scope the inside of my ear because I just didn't want y'all to just sit there and watch me just toss and turn the camera. So as you can see, I am in the right side of my ear. You can see this big glob of wax. It's like so disgusting, but it's so satisfying to scoop it out. Oh my goodness, look at it. Okay. And y'all, honestly, like, it looks like a lot of wax, but it's not a lot of wax. Like, I'm going to show you what I wiped it on at towards the end. Now I'm going back in, and you just have to know how to maneuver this thing because, baby, let me tell you, you'll be tossing and twisting and turning, and you'll be like not grabbing nothing. If you did not watch my first video, you can kind of see, like, oh, look at that. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Ugh, I didn't get it all. If you did not watch my first video, you can kind of see my hand work and my hand motion. It has kind of gotten better in this video. I kind of learned, or I am kind of getting better at maneuvering this tool, this piece of technology. But also, whoa, do you see that up in the corner? Grab it, grab it, grab it. Didn't grab it. You see, it's kind of hard to, like, you're watching the camera, like you're watching the camera on your phone, and then like you're trying to like do the opposite side. Like, that's the best way I can describe how to try to get. Ooh, got it. It looks like it's so much, but it's really not, y'all. It's really not. Like, I clean my ears out. I promise you, every day. Get that piece out the corner. My goodness, like it's just like sitting in the corner and it's disturbing me. Get it, get it, get it. Okay, so I'm having trouble. But like I said, you guys, it's really hard trying to maneuver this. Watch your phone. You want to basically, if you're looking at your phone, you want to do the opposite side of what you're looking at. Now, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the other side because clearly my ear was getting irritated. It kind of got a little red on the inside from me like digging in it. So now I'm on the left side. So this clip is a little bit longer, so I am going to speed it up. I'm not going to talk you all through it. So just to let you know, I am going to switch back and forth through my right and my left ear. And yeah, I'll just stay tuned.
super nasty, but like this is all the wax that came out of my ear, which is not a lot compared to the last time. So if you would ask me on a scale of 1 to 10, this device is very effective because this is 6 months post my ear, and it may look like a lot on the camera, but it's really not. Like I know it's gross, but all right, let's see. So I probably still got a little wax, but I mean that's the remaining residue, and I'm getting in there, y'all. So all right, getting this one, getting there. And yeah, so there you have it, and you can always.
And pretty much what I wanted to say is that even though you clean the surface of your ears with a Q-tip does not mean that it's going to be clean. You want to get down into the canal. So, yeah, thanks for watching my video and tune in next time for whatever else I'm going to do a video on. Thank y'all.